public comment. We have one person here for items not on the agenda. Quentin Calvin or Galvin?
Galvin with a G.
Galvin with a G. Okay.
Hello. Until recently, I really wasn't aware of the extent of the problem of child sex offenders in Lake County.
And this is not germane to the county board, not part of the county board, for public comment.
I have a parliamentarian. I'm going to listen to the parliamentarian. This is an issue that's been brought to us month after month after month that we do not have any authority over. So it's not germane to county business.
All I'd like to ask is that the county board look into it to the extent that they can.
Will do.
That's really what I want to do.
Will
Can
do.
I give you my statement?
Thank you. I'll take that.
Okay.
Okay, is there anyone else? Oh, Barry's got some. Is there anyone else here that would like to speak on items that are not on the agenda?
Ed Sullivan.
I'm looking at a few right now. I'm trying to make them out. Oh, Chris Blanks, Brother Blanks. A Waukegan community issue. Okay. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't want any campaigning going on up here, okay? Excuse me, Bob, we have somebody coming up. Okay, Chris.
Yes.
It's always nice to see you.
Always a pleasure. Likewise. Good morning, Lady Chair, members of the board. The issue I would like to address, it has been brought to the attention of some of the citizens of the community that the Lake County is considering Chief Bain as a chief investigator.
I will tell you right now, we have no knowledge of what you're talking about.
Okay, well, just okay, perhaps.
And we don't make the appointments.
Oh, okay. Okay, that is a Lake County chief investigator's position, right?
We don't, but the county board has nothing to do with that.
The county board has nothing to do with it? No. Okay, well, I just wanted to make mention of it, because I just saying that as him being named as a plaintiff, and which one of the judges, federal judge Shader, has ruled against. Say it again.
Chris, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Well, and we don't talk
get
about
involved in personnel
issues like that.
Okay.
County board doesn't have appointments.
The county board is not responsible.
That's
Nope.
correct.
Okay, all right. I just want to come and make sure.
Okay.
But I'm sure you'll be hearing about it.
Okay.
But I know the citizens.
Yeah,
of the
we do not
community-
know anything about it.
Okay, it's not really happy with that fact. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Margaret Carrasco.
Yes, good morning. Just a follow-up question then. Who would be the person we should direct in regards to something like that? Margaret Carrasco, 532 North Lewis Avenue, Waukegan, Illinois.
The state's attorney, I would believe.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Because that's the word on the street.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Thank you very much. All police officers are telling us that. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, is there anyone in the public? Yes. Hey, Ed Sullivan. Isn't it scary when you know everybody?
Good morning.
Ed Sullivan.
My name is Ed Sullivan. I live at 1590
Microphone.
Verde Lane, Mundelein, Illinois. And thank you, Madam Chairman, for
Sure.
recognizing me. I'm sorry I was down in the security line for 15 minutes. At any rate, my concern today isn't about the coming election, although to some extent it is. My concern is the past election for your county board. During that election, and I know something about elections. I've been a school board
Well, I don't
member.
want to get into politics on the floor.
I've been a school board member. I'm a current member of the Mundelein Board of Trustees. And what my reflection on Lake County elections is that they've always been factual. They've been sincere. They have not been mean-spirited. Although I don't have a lot of experience in Waukegan. The past election for county board members was mean-spirited.
All right,
The issue that I have
All right.
here, the issue I have here is statements were made that have been troubling to the public. Statements in regard to this board being responsible for high real estate taxes.
I will tell you, I'm going to address that in a moment.
That, all right, that this board,
And
this board sponsoring insiders who received real estate tax breaks.
I'm
This
going
is
to be
improper?
handling that in a moment.
All right, but I hope that this full board, because the public is concerned, the public is worried, economic health, whether they can stay in their homes. This is I suppose this is an improper statement, but this was a pander to those fears.
I'm going to be handling this issue.
And I hope that this chair and this board will seek to address those fears, to calm them, and to state the facts. Now, my number is listed in the telephone book. If any one of you wishes to oppose what my thoughts are in regard to this, or have clarification of what specifically I'm talking about, give me a call. And we'll
Okay.
be more than happy to speak. Thank you.
We'll do that. Thank you. Yes.
Rules. I support only allowing public comment that's germane, and Speaker Mr. Galvin was cut off very quickly, so I'm not sure. We got to apply the rules across the board. Thank you.
There's no comment. Okay.
You know, well, I'd just like to say that I don't think it was fair that we listened to that if we cut someone else off
Well-
before we really even knew what they were talking about, only from past practice. And that was truly political. Thank you.